Hey boss, hey beauties, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to do a small review about Eco Gel, right? If you have been following me, you will realize that I always mix Eco Gel with a hair cream every time I make like a slick down hairstyle, or I make any hairstyle that I am using Eco Gel. But on my edges, I use it rough. Also, I use it roughly. I don't mix anything, and it is the opportunity to show you why I actually mix it with hair cream every time I put it on my own hair, on the whole, the rest of the hair, right? Yeah, I'm going to show you also why I don't actually sleep with this, or why I can't use it like a daily styling gel. And yeah, I will let you keep watching the video. I'm just going to apply it on my edges and spend the night with, and the following morning I will show you how it looks like. So here it is dry, and yeah, I can't put any scalp on it if it is still wet, right? So as you can see, it is already dry, so I'm going to bed, and good night. So boo, this is the following day, and I'm going to show you how my hair looks like my edges looks like when Eco Gel is dry, right? The reason why I don't like spending a night with is because first of all, to protect my edges, and second, when it get dry, I'm going to show it to you right away. I hope you can see it. It shows some kind of flaky, like dandruff, and I don't know whether it is showing in a daylight, like outside light. It is showing more than that, so I can't spend a night with and go outside with, right? Yeah, you can see all those stuff. And yeah, sometimes I prefer my that edge control, sorry. And sometimes I prefer my edge control, but sometimes it is also too heavy that I prefer Eco Gel. But because I know I am not going to sleep with, I'm not going to spend the night with, so now I'm going to show you how I clean it up before I go to bed, and how I laid it down when I still have a star, right? So I have my water here and my small towel. I squeeze my small towel, but not too much, because I want to remove everything from the edges. I really want to clean it up. So I am like a kind of washing it first and then remove it with a dry stuff, right? So when I still have a style, I don't hook them directly to the hair, because it will spoil the style. So what I do, I put a heavy hair cream and lay them down, going to the ear side, right? I did something like this, just to protect the style until I remove it. But because I don't have any style today, I'm going to hook them and making sure I have removed the whole gel from that. So I hope it is all gone. I'm going to dry it up a little bit. Yeah, and I'm going to apply my handmade oil, right? My mixed oil. It's a hair grow oil that I have done for my edges to help me grow my edges. Maybe by God's grace, I will have them back. I don't know. But I may keep using it until I see the result, right? If I get my edges back, I will share the mixture. So you can stay tuned. If it is your first time coming across here, please don't forget to help a sister by subscribing, because this channel is new. I just want to share my hair experience here. I still have, as I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, you can go ahead and watch it and see the product. Like the product I added for the scalp itchy. Yeah, I still have it. I still have my scalp itching, but I am still looking for a product that can go on my scalp, right? Because I still have it. I am sometimes when I'm sitting down, I am like, oh, and when I check, I don't have any dandruff. I don't have a flaky scalp, but I don't know what brings that. But I'll keep searching for what can help me, and if I find something, but as I said in my previous video, I'm going to continue with that product, and yeah, and see. So every time I want to wash my hair, I'll apply it and wait for like 40 to 45 minutes to 1 hour, and then wash my hair. It is not that difficult, right? So I can do that. But in the meantime, I will be also looking for something else. I actually have a product that I used to apply, but it is at the moment finished, and I have ordered for that. When it comes, I will also make a review about that. So guys, this was the short video I wanted to do with you today. I hope it was helpful. The video is about the reason why I don't like sleeping with eco gel on my hair, right? I said the first reason is to protect my edges, and the second reason is when it gets dry, you can see some kind of flaky on your edges, like you imagine for we that have itchy scalp, and you are like scratching it out, and all will come out, like it will look like a kind of dandruff, kind of dirty, flaky. And so it is better I can style with it. Is easy to use it for any style because it is soft and smooth. You can use it very quickly. It is I may say to style the edges, sometimes it is better than edge control, because you are like doing it very quickly. Edge control is good, but a little bit heavy. Yeah, but if you are not in a hurry, you can just go ahead with your edge control, right? And yeah, so it was just the short video I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I love you all, guys. Mwah!